how to change Phonak wax filters, otherwise called CeruStops. So here we have a new generation Phonak Sphere hearing aid with its little rubber dome. What we need to do is take off the dome. So once again, I hold the base of the receiver with a firm grip. And if you pinch the opposite side and peel over, a bit like peeling a banana. Now there we have it, there's the tip of the CeruStop, the wax filter. So what I need to do is open this up. And you see it's got a split, and I just peel it open in the middle there. And you've got these little sticks. So I pull the stick out nice and straight, and on one end you'll see there's the fresh filter, and the opposite end's got a little barb. And we've got to click that barb in to pull out the existing filter. So what I do is I line up the barb nice and straight, push straight in, and I pull away, and it pulls out that existing filter, and that's empty. I need to flip the little stick right over and then guide the fresh filter in, and it leaves it behind. And there we have it, we've got a new filter in the tip of our receiver. Then we put the dome back on. So we hold the very tip of the dome between the thumb and index finger, and you'll see it's got a little rubber socket in the middle. So we need to line that up nice and straight, right in the middle. And if you're holding it on the tip, you'll feel it sort of fold over. Give it a bit of a twist just to make sure it's securely on there. And there we have it. I've just replaced the wax filter of my Phonak receiver and the canal style hearing aid.
Harmony Hearing